If you're looking for a solid dash cam that gives you full coverage without breaking the bank, this is a great pick. This was sent over to me from the brand, and thank you to them for the collaboration. And before we dive in, hit subscribe and the notification bell for more honest reviews. This thing packs 4 cameras, giving you a full 360 view of your ride, front, rear, and inside, so you don't miss a thing. Whether you're a ride-share driver, a road trip enthusiast, or just want that extra security on the road, this setup has you covered. Video quality? Pretty sharp. The 1080p resolution does a great job capturing details, even at night, thanks to its solid night vision. The wide-angle lenses give you a broad field of view, so you don't have to worry about blind spots. Setting it up is surprisingly easy, even if you're not super tech savvy. The interface is straightforward, and once it's mounted, it stays out of your way. Plus it comes with loop recording and parking mode, so it keeps running when you need it most. Overall, it's a great balance of quality, coverage, and ease of use. If you want a dash cam that does more than just record the front of your car, this one's worth checking out. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below, and hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.